Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 4 pattern illustration apps or websites that can help you to illustrate your patterns. Now, why would you need to know about pattern illustration websites? Because most times when you create your patterns, it is good to make it come to life, to let people see exactly what your patterns look like. And then number 2, sometimes you need to have inspiration to be able to get ideas on the kind of patterns or the kind of dress designs that you want to create. These 4 pattern illustration websites I'm going to mention today is going to help you. It's going to give you some inspiration to be able to create some very beautiful patterns. So let's start with the first one. The very first one on my list is called Rep Sketch. Now let's go to my computer and let me show you exactly what that looks like and what it can do and how you can illustrate your pattern designs. This is the website for Rep Sketch. You can do a lot with this, quite a lot. In fact, when I discovered it, I was so excited over it. The very first thing you need to do, of course, is to register. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to register. Once you've registered, you just click on sign up. There are a few details here you need to fill up. I'm going to fill that up quickly and then we get to the website. When you get to your account, what you can do, once you click here, you go to the tutorials. I advise you to do that first because the tutorials is quite rich. It shows you, it talks about what you can do with Rep Sketch. It tells you how to use it, how to create and edit parts, how to actually trace photo of a garment. That means you can get a photo online, upload it here, trace it, and then adjust it to whatever inspiration you have, adjust it to whatever style that you want to change it to. So it's really something for you to explore. And with Rep Sketch, you have a lot of clothing, patterns that can give you inspiration. For instance, if I click on these dresses, let's see how many dresses it's going to give to us. When you get to the dresses page, you'll see a lot of dress designs that you can edit to your style and to whatever inspiration that you have. And there's always a video here for you to actually listen to find out how to do that. You can repurpose a dress. You can change the top, you can change the sleeves. All you have to do, whichever one you like, you can just click here to edit it and change it to whatever style you want to change it to. They have quite a lot beautiful gowns that can give you inspiration on what to do. I think if you come here and you click on view more, I think it should give you more clothes styles to look at. This actually takes you to their YouTube channels where you can watch a lot of videos explaining exactly how you can make the best use of Rep Sketch. As I said, this is an introductory video introducing you to different kinds of pattern illustration websites or apps that you can use as a beginner, and it's user friendly. So go ahead and try your hands on Rep Sketch, and I'm sure you're going to discover a lot of inspiration to help you with your pattern illustrations. So let's go to the second one. The second one is called the Fashion Design app, and you can use it on your Android and you can use it on your Apple or the iPhone. So let's see what it looks like. With the fashion design app, you can design flat fashion sketches on your phone or on your tablet, as you can see here. And they have over 1,000 fashion graphics library that can give you inspiration on what to design and what to draw. If you go to your Google Play Store, you can actually download it. But what I discovered is that if you have the latest version of Android, you might not be able to download this. This only works with the old Android versions. So that was the drawback with this one. If you have an old Android version, you'll be able to download it and you'll be able to make use of all that is available to use. There's a lot you can do with this, especially it says it has 1,000 fashion graphics that you can use to inspire your fashion sense. So these are all the fashion graphics that you have right here. So if you have an old version, as I said, you can go ahead and download it and try your hands on it and see how easy it is for you to use. I could not download it because I have a newest version of Android. The third fashion illustration app I'm going to be talking about is called Pret A Template. And now for me, this is the ultimate tool for fashion sketching. You can do a lot with Pret A Template, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with it. Now, this is Print A Template site. You can do a lot with Print A Template. For instance, if you go to garments, I went to garments just to see the kind of garments they have that you can readjust to suit what you have in mind. So they have quite a lot of garments, different kinds that you can just adjust, to draw what you have in mind. And the only bad thing about this is that you can only download it from the Apple Store. If you don't have an app store for Apple, you cannot use Print A Template. And again, it comes with a subscription, but it also comes with a 7-day free trial. So you can use those 7 days to try your hands on it and see if it's suitable for you. I can't exactly remember what the subscription is, but I don't think it's very expensive, considering all you can do with Pret A Template. They have a lot of professional templates that you can use, They have a lot of collection of clothing templates arranged in 20 categories. So there's a lot you can do with this, really. A lot. You can unleash your creativity and draw entire collections with realistic brushes and all the tools that you possibly need to be able to illustrate your patterns. And of course, you can work on them anywhere you are, since it's a phone app. You can also add texture. You can also add fabric to see what your clothes would look like, the different kinds of fabric that you might want to use to actually see what the clothes will look like. Apart from fabrics, you can also design shoes, bags, accessories, jewelry. So it's quite huge. There's a lot you can do with Pret A Template. It's really, really huge. Now let's see what the bags look like. If I click on the bags, let me see the kind of bag designs they have. As you can see, they even have a briefcase here. Different bag designs that can give you ideas on what to do. This is quite interesting. Pret a Template has a lot to offer. As you can see, you can not only design dress patterns, you can not only illustrate your dress patterns, you can also illustrate bag patterns, especially if you have a flair for designing handbags. So go ahead and try your hands on Pret a Template and see how it works. If you do have an iPhone, remember, it doesn't work with an Android phone. So let's go to the fourth one, the fourth and the last one. This last one is called Fashion Design Sketches, and it's also an app that you can download, but unfortunately it's only also for iPhone and for iPad. So let's take a look at what it can do. So this is Fashion Design Sketches Style, and this is the App Store preview. As you can see, there's a lot you can do with it. There's a lot you can draw. There are a lot of paint brushes that you can use and draw a lot of styles. If you want to see the iPhone view, that is it. You have a lot that you can do with this, really. A lot. But the only problem, as I said, if you don't have an iPhone, you cannot use this. So you need an iPhone to be able to get to the App Store and download this. And it's free, even though you can also buy in-app purchases. But at least it's free for you to download and start testing your hands on what you can do with this. You can design and sketch your own high fashion masterpiece of an outfit, and you have fashion design sketches. You can do a lot. This can tell you all you can do with it, how you can express your creativity, how you can choose from a wide range of clothes, how you can combine elements. That is, you can take one dress of the bodice, combine it with the sleeve of another style, combine it with the collar of another style to create a completely new pattern design. So that's what you can do with fashion design sketches and styles. So that's my take on my 4 pattern design illustrators, or the pattern illustrators for you as a beginner. Have you used any of these 4 before? If you have, did you have challenges with them? If you did, drop your comments below this video for some other people that might want to try their hands on any of these pattern illustrating or the pattern illustration apps and websites. Thank you for watching. See you in my next